achieving the double bottom. Finally, US30 has breached past 33,500 levels, which was definitely a very strong resistance level. Now, what to expect next week? Can we expect it to fly more, or is it going to drop? What position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily analysis and targets for Dow Jones, which I share twice in a day, once with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. I also do watch till the end of this analysis, where I'm going to give you the trading strategy and trading levels for US30. So let's start, and you can see it. US30 has given a breakout this week, trading and towards, specifically towards the end of the week, where it has traded extremely bullish and breached past 33,500 levels, which was the good resistance level. At the same time, if you look at the last three candles, you will find higher highs, higher lows are observed here. Now again, these levels at 33,300 are going to be important. If it breaks below 33,300, you can again expect 33,000 as a very strong resistance, and if it breaks below 33,000, then the same levels 32,800 and below levels can be expected. So what it is trying to do after the sharp drop retracement, and yes, do not forget that breaking past 33,800, you can expect it to fly for 34,000, 34,500, and then 35,000 levels also. Remember this fact, very very clear. Now if you connect the dots here, you can observe that in the near term it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. So first it needs to break past 34,500 levels or so, and beyond that definitely further highs can also be expected. Now what it has done after forming the bottom there, see, the crater is formed and now it is trying to fly high. So possibly we can see little bullishness in US30 in the coming few days. Now this is just on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can find out it is consolidated here in this zone for a couple of weeks, where it failed to breach past, see these levels. How strong was this support at 32,800, 32,700 zone? It got the support very strong at these levels, though in the previous times, last you can see after this drop, it tried to breach past 32,500, failed to do so, again got a pullback. Now see, this is coming out of this zone here. So first thing is, it needs to break past, it has to sustain above 33,500. This is done. Now the next candle I will wait for, because this is just single bullish candle. If the second bullish candle appears here, it may try to take it above 34,000 levels, which is the next resistance zone. So beyond 34,000, directly lend it to 35,000 and then 35,500 levels. These levels can also be expected. But if you look at the daily chart, see higher highs, higher lows. It is trying to trade in this. I will wait for it to break past this zone again at 33,600 levels, 33,800 levels. Trading above this, certainly it will call for more bullishness there. Now this is the second observation on the daily charts. Also, if you look at 3, it has seen the higher highs already at 35,000. Possibly if this time, if it continues to rally, we may see it achieving further highs till towards 35,500 and 36,000 levels. That is the next observation. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, higher lows are done, and if you look at higher highs also, possibly we may see it achieving this zone, which is far away at around 35,500 levels in the month of January itself. Right now, first resistance I will be looking at 34,000 and 34,500 levels. If these two are taken, nothing can stop it to achieve 35,500 levels. In fact, it can fly past 36,000 levels also. Anything is possible. These are markets. See, we had seen a sharp rise here couple of months back, and now it is trying to trade or consolidate in between, or you can say trade with moderate bullishness after this sharp bullish candle, and possibly it will look forward to a breakout in forthcoming months, and hence you need to remain cautious here till the time it trades above 32,000 levels. You need to be alert with your short entries, because below 32,000 levels only you can expect that it is going to crash again below 30,000 levels, which I don't see a possibility. Right now it appears that it might try to trade bullish first 35,000 and then plus levels, if not today, if not tomorrow, possibly in the forthcoming few weeks. Now this is on the monthly charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators, what the indicators are suggesting here. Indicators on the daily charts. Now see, indicators part, Till here, US30 was trading with the support of 20 period moving average, and in last few weeks, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over. This is a bearish indication for the near term. At the same time, though, all these three, that is 20, 50 and 100 period moving averages, are trading with divergence. So I'll wait for it to converge a bit and cross over again in order to continue with the bullish momentum. Right now, so far, US30 is trading above all the three, indicating little bullish momentum here, and hence you need to wait for it to break past this zone at 34,000 levels for in order to continue with this. Now, if you look at the weekly charts here, but before that, let's have a look at the indicators more in detail. Directional movement here is bearish, traded with divergence, looking forward to converge crossover for a bullish move. Stochastic trying to look upwards here. The MACD has crossed over here with a single green candle, and I'll wait if it gives the second and consecutive green candle. That should be the beginning for the bull run on US30. It can try to take it towards this or at least towards this zone. So near term, possibly it may try to trade bullish. The RSI is looking upwards, showing strength there. And if you look at the weekly charts, now on the weekly charts, if you observe, you will see that the 20 period moving average has fallen flat. The 50 and 100 period moving average has crossed over, and these are trading with divergence. Now I'll wait for the 20 period moving average also to converge from here, start rising from here, and possibly take a crossover from the 50 and 100 period moving average and trade bullish from here. That is first part to it. Next, if you look at the directional movement, this is bullish on the weekly charts. It is trading, it is diverging again. The stochastic has seen a bottom, looking forward to a rise. The MACD is trading with very little divergency. After a rise, it has stabilized. Now, if it has to continue with the bullish momentum, it can do so, because see, this crossover has happened at the bottom, and possibility for it to trade bullish from here also exists. Now, if you look at the RSI, this is looking upward, showing strength on the weekly charts. Now, coming to the monthly chart. Now, on the monthly chart, since 2010, see the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average are still trading with divergence. These are still bullish. It has never crossed over since last 12, 13 years, despite the sharp drop and the reversal. So yes, it is trying to trade bullish here. Now on the downside, 30,000 is the good support. Here on the upside, I'll wait for it to break past 34 and 35,000 levels in order to trade bullish. The directional movement is moderately bearish. It may converge crossover. The stochastic is overbought on the monthly charts, and this is one probability. See, though here it continued to trade bullish for months, but right now it has to stabilize, and I'll definitely observe how it behaves here. MACD is bearish. It is looking forward to converge crossover. Right now it is still on the sell side. And if you look at the RSI, this is trying to trade flat, or possibly if a green candle appears this month, it can try to look upwards. So this is the part of indicators. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for next week so that you can trade profitably. And yes, if you want to learn this art of identifying profitable trades, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you should join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is going to start on 9th of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategies which are curated specifically for you to profit. So join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do not miss this opportunity. Now, for the next week, where to buy here? Now, I will recommend you to buy here at 33,700 levels, but then 33,840 you should look out for, and then 34,000 levels. Now, once it breaks past 34,000, stay further long for 34,200 and 34,500. I will recommend you to stay long once it trades above 33,840. In fact, once it trades above 33,700 itself, you can stay long in Dow Jones. You can expect it to fly more, and then I will look forward to 35,000 levels also. If not this week, then possibly by next or within this month, we may see these levels getting achieved. On the downside, where to sell? Yes, you can sell at 33,480, I will say, because below this 33,400 the first support, 33,350 the next support, and if it breaks this directly, it will lend to 33,200 and 33,000 levels, below which 32,800 will be seen as the next and strongest support. Only and only if it breaks below 32,800, you can consider this as bearish, and then we might see 32,500 levels in Dow Jones. You need to trade with caution on the downside, looking forward to a possibility of a reversal here, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and keep yourself updated with the daily analysis and targets, which will definitely aid you in your trading decisions. Also join my mentorship batch so that you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.